The Invincible Marketer course complete. Hello and welcome. My name is Bill Morrow and I've been marketing online now for about 9 years. And in that time, I have found so much rubbish, things that do not work or work just a little bit and then disappear. And what I have found now, and what I can highly recommend to you, is a system which will allow you to build a business online. The Invincible Marketer is its name. Now, it is a complete course. It starts off in video form, therefore you can run it at your own pace. You can sit down and complete the course in possibly, I'd say, logically about a week. You do have to rest and you do have to sleep and eat in between. So to try and get it done in less time would be a little bit overwhelming, I'd say. All you got to do is follow the sequence. You look at the video tells you in the end to do a certain thing, to get one item, to do one thing. You do that, then you move on to the next video. And by doing that, your whole system is building all the time. So when you get to the end, you have a working system online. Now you can set it up in whatever medium you like. You can set it up so that it runs in whatever subject you want. It runs in, say, health, fitness, anything. You decide, gaming, anything that particularly it's got to be a subject that you know something about. And by doing that, you're able to put yourself into that and you're able to push it and you get more satisfaction out of it by doing the things that you want to do. Now, the subject itself is quite complex. It's complex in the fact that there's loads of bits in it. And this course joins everything together. And that's the beauty about it. And the invincible part comes because you learn from scratch how each part is set up. And you put the whole lot together. And that's where it all comes together and gives you an excellent working business at the end. So all you got to do now is come down below into the description box, and on the first line you will find a link. Click on the link and you will then come onto my subscription page, onto my email page. Then I can send you extra information, more information, so that you'll get the full story all about the system and how it's worked with me and how it can work with you. And that's what it's all about. I have every confidence in the system. It's working now and I'm very pleased with it after all this struggle, wasted time and everything else. But I've got it. Now I'm offering it to you. So all you got to do is click on the link below and I'll give you all the additional information you need. Talk to you soon.